Hello guys, this video will be made with minimum video editing to show you guys as true as I can camera quality. In this video I will be comparing the three different streaming cameras and which in my opinion is best option for you. For sound recording I am using Kingston HyperX QuadCast microphone which costs around 150 euros. As you see in left upper corner we have Logitech StreamCam which costs 150 euros at the time of recording. I will look now into the StreamCam. On right upper corner we have Logitech c920 Pro which costs 90 euros at the time of recording. I will now look into c920 Pro. Down in the center we have Canon M50 with Sigma 16mm F1.4 aperture lenses which cost together around 1000 euro. I will now look into Canon M50. I will be comparing them in two different occasions. Currently the room is dim, but later I will also compare them when I will turn on my halogen streaming lights. So let's begin. Already by looking, I can see C920 Pro gives wider picture, but there is a lot more blushing than on Logitech StreamCam Pro. The StreamCam is also that it supports 1080p, so Full HD with 60 FPS, while C920 Pro supports Full HD only at 30 FPS. On the other side, I do think the colors are most real on Canon M50. Please let me know down in the comments what is your opinion, which camera do you think gives the best colors and has the best picture. If we proceed, I will show white paper before cameras and you can see which camera has the most accurate color. Already by looking, I think the most accurate color is of course on Canon M50 because it's very expensive and quite good and professional camera. But I would still say the StreamCam does give better colors than C920 Pro. Now I will try to walk and let's see how they record motion. As I could tell, I do think the Canon M50 wins again, but StreamCam isn't so bad either. The C920 Pro had some issues with focusing, but it's also very good camera. Now I will turn on my halogen lights, which I will be using as a reflected light source, and see how does the picture change. We can see the C920 Pro has some issues with blushing again. It makes me all dark and you can't even see me. Logitech StreamCam has adjusted real good. I just must little bit adjust the Canon M50 settings because I have it on the manual. I can lower my ISO from 500 to perhaps 400, too low, 300, like that. And we can see again that the best colors are absolutely on Canon M50. My conclusion is that if you need camera only for video conference call and you don't stream and record videos, go for Logitech C920 Pro or C922 Pro. if you will be making streaming, if you will be streaming and recording videos on computer, go for Logitech Streaming Cam. The colors are more accurate. There is less splashing, and those 60 FPS does make difference, especially in gaming. Now, if you have the budget, you want absolutely best colors and also record outside, I would go for Canon M50. If you have extra budget, also buy Sigma lens 60mm, because they really do make difference, especially in low light environment. But also the standard kit lens works great. That's all from my side. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments which camera you thought it was the best.
Jack it up.